welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how exhaust cutoffs actually work, and then I'm actually going to install it on this vehicle, or actually get it installed. So we'll start off by showing you how they're connected. So this is a dual exhaust cutout, which means there's two of them because there's two exhaust pipes on this vehicle. So basically there's just a wire that goes to each one here, one over here. I just got it hooked up in the back of the vehicle with the cigar plug. I'm actually going to cut these wires and hardwire into the vehicle when I actually do install it. It's got the little memory box here, and then the little antenna that's on there, which connects with the remote control right there. So I do have it set up. I'm going to show you guys this one. So when you push the button, you can see one side opens, one side closes. And they basically work together, both of them. So I'm actually going to install it right before the muffler. They do have ones that only have one close port right here. This one is actually a lot better because it actually shuts off the main exhaust and directs it just to one side. I also want to point out that, you know, the remote that it comes with that I showed you guys earlier, what I did is I actually programmed them to the garage door opener buttons. So this one right here, I programmed it to open the exhaust, and this one right here to close the exhaust. And the way you do that is you pretty much hold down the button until the light starts flashing, which it's ready for programming. And then you simply just hold down the button on the remote, and then it's going to go ahead and link together. So that way you don't have to always have this with you, and it's built into the vehicle and it reaches perfectly fine. So I'm going to show you guys how these were installed. I'll try to get under the vehicle. Take a look right there. You can see that it was cut into the pipe on that weld right there and connected on this one here. Same thing on the other side. Just gonna show you guys how I'm running the wires right now. So actually I found a little opening. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting right now. I'll try to get it in there. But there's a little cover right here that actually pops off, and you can see I ran the wires, the two wires that go to the motors, right through there. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and connect the power to one of these fuses here, which I'm about to test right now to see which one goes on with the key and goes off with the key off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wire that up, and then I'm gonna mount everything down. So these actually come with the cigar auxiliary plug. I went ahead and cut those wires off, and I'm gonna go ahead and hardwire it in and connect the fuse link to the positive wire, just in case anything shorts out in the future, I don't blow the motor. Like I said earlier, I ran it right through here. There was actually an opening. The wires fed right down to it, right where it's installed. I did go ahead and connect the positive to a fuse link over here, and then I put the negative on the battery, so that way it only goes on when the vehicle's on. The box, the module is right there, and then I just tucked the rest of the wires in there. And when you put this on top of it, completely hidden. Just gonna take it on a quick test drive around the block so you guys can hear it. Oh yeah, that sounds really nice. Little downshift there. It's really not that bad inside the vehicle at all. So it's like the perfect tone for this vehicle. Not too loud, not too quiet. And then the best part about it is you can actually just turn it off. It's a lot quieter now. But turn it back on. And there you have it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.